creating a digital comic book. It's pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a digital comic book. So for that, you need to follow some set of instruction. As you guys can see, first of all, you need to, write the story, and you need to know what type of story that you are creating or what type of comic that you are creating. So you just need to, understand these things first. After that, you need to, develop the story and, write the script. After that, you need to design the characters as well. You can design these characters in the softwares like Adobe and Canva. So it totally depends upon your skill set, however you want to do it. After that, you need to design the panels. As you guys can see, every comic has some specific panel layouts and compositions. You need to follow these things. After that, you need to know about all the things regarding digital linking and color techniques. You need to know these things as well. So after applying these things in your comic, you just need to add these text like sound effects. As you guys can see, you can add the sound effects like rain, thunder, and these stuff. And this is how you will be able to create your comic. You just need to combine all of these things, create your comic, and you will be able to publish it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.